If you've forgotten your Diigo password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Diigo login page. Go to the Diigo website and click on the login option. This will take you to the page where you can enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Diigo. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and click on the provided link to reset your password. Follow the instructions to create a new password for your account. Once you have reset your password, you can log into your Diigo account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Diigo support for further assistance.